So, hi dear Scorpio, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Scorpio Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind, this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the rules can be reversed also. The action can be from your side also. And if it's not resonating, it's not your story. This is a reading for those who are in no contact, no communication, and wants to know what's going on the other side. Now, if you want to become a tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box. The website is coming very soon. You will get everything at one place in that. And for the timing for one-on-one healing sessions or readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. Okay. Now let's start, Scorpio. The person that you're in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. We have the Seven of Swords, the Six of Pentacles, the Nine of Swords. Oh my God, Scorpio, this is somebody who is feeling stressed out beyond words. They're feeling like they should pretend everything is okay. They're lying to themselves continuously, and they're lying to you as well, and others as well around them, that they're completely fine, their life is completely sorted. But whenever they are like sleeping at night, they can't sleep at night thinking about what a mess their life is, what a mess they have created in their own life, and what a mess their whole love and relationship area is, and it is from quite a long time now. So this person is feeling like they should find some kind of peace in their life in order to sleep at night. So they're losing their mind, they're losing their sleep, they're losing their energy of being at peace with themselves, and they're trying their best to be honest with themselves, but they're not. Continuously lying to themselves, everything is fine, everything is sorted, I can handle it, I'm handling it like a pro. For some of you, it could be very much possible that they're trying to distract themselves with multiple people, multiple energies at the same time, but not getting to the root cause of the problem, that they're lying to themselves about something. Yeah. And they should be honest, and that is the only thing that can heal you. You have to be very honest with yourself, even if it hurts, even if it bothers you for the time being. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Seven of Cups, Page of Swords, Judgment. Yeah. See, they want to keep their options open, and they want to know more and more about you from a distance, so that they can understand whether they have to come back to you or they have to detach completely. Scorpio, this person is using their mind 100%. You can say 1000%. According to them keeping their options open is a very good thing. Okay. And them keeping an eye on you is a very logical thing to do. But they want to come only when they are going to feel uh, you are single and now you are available, and or now they should take the action from their side. It's like they don't want to operate with their heart and soul, they want to operate with their mind and logical and practical side, and that is the issue here. They're like, okay, if not Scorpio, somebody else is fine. I will just keep myself busy with somebody else, if not with Scorpio. But let me keep an eye on Scorpio as well. Maybe I can connect with them as well in the coming future. What the hell is happening? What kind of person you are dealing with? They're not a healthy mindset kind of a person. Good, bad, judgmental, I don't care about that. But right now, their mindset, their energies towards the situation is kind of destructive to themselves only, not you or not somebody else or something else. That's quite unhealthy. But they're not able to understand that right now at this present moment. They're quite in this energy of, yeah, I'm doing the right thing. That's the right thing. That's the right thing to do. Yeah. Keeping options open and keeping an eye on Scorpio as well, because maybe we can meet again. Okay. Action from this person's side, if any, till 17th. Okay, so sudden unexpected message communication and then nothing. It's like when I am least expecting a business call or something, that's coming, out of nowhere, it's coming, but the conversation is like, we will call you later or something like that, like some kind of shitty communication that's not going to make any sense to any one of you. But it's like suddenly getting the urge, or suddenly out of nowhere getting this energy of, okay, let's connect with Scorpio, out of nowhere. And then maybe they are going to block you, or they are going to talk, they're not going to even talk to you, or they're, even if they're going to talk to you, they're going to fight you without any reason, and then they're going to be like, goodbye, nothing. They're not mentally stable right now, not mentally stable, not emotionally stable. So you should give blessings to this person, you should forgive them and move ahead, because right now they're going through a lot of messy energies within themselves, self destructive kind of energies. Guidance for you: focus on money, like money, job, career, and people, situation, things that makes you feel grounded, that makes you feel happy, that makes you feel stable. Focus on those energies, focus on the positives, basically gratitude energy. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.